Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05 to the application. In the previous video we installed and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, watch that video. Now let's move to adding this device to the application and do it. Open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Because firstly we need to pair these earbuds with a phone. If you have Android, click pair new device and after that open the charging case. If your device not connected with another devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically, and now we can see these earbuds at the device list. But also we can enter to prank mode manually. At the left side of the charging case we have connection button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light start blinking. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and you enter to prank mode manually, so you can also add it to your phone. Tap at your device at the device list, and we did it. Now you can hide the settings and open SOUNDPEATS application. And as you can see, after we add it to the phone, this application should find these earbuds automatically. If it's looking so long, like what I have right now, just reopen the application. So remove it from the cache and open it again. Sometimes it happened with this application, so don't worry. And as you can see, we have it here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!